Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the JBL by Harman PartyBox 110. It's written over here. There's 7 cool features about this PartyBox. The first one, it has a powerful JBL original Pro sound. There are 2 basses on it. There's a low and a high. There's dynamic light show, which you get when you install an app on your phone to control all the lights. There is 12 hours of playtime, so you can take it for picnics without worrying to charge it a lot. And there's also IPX4 splash proof, which means you can use it in near water or near a pool outside without worrying of it getting spoiled. There's mic and guitar inputs, which means you can input 2 of them at once without any stress. There's a PartyBox app that you download on your phone to control the speaker and its features. There's a true wireless stereo that you get that has Bluetooth, and when we open this box, we got 2 things out of it. We got our charging cable and we got our speaker. The charging cable port is down here. It's written PartyBox 110. When you open it, there's a charging port. This is for the bass of the music, and when you go up, you find a place where you can put in your mic and your guitar. You have an aux in and an aux out. This is a USB to charge your phone. You have TWS, which means you can connect 2 at once, and there are more for speakers. You go to the top, you have your light controls and your volume. You have your power button, a Bluetooth to show it that it's connected, and 3 levels of bass. On the side, we have 2 grip supporters and the very cool design, so you can also tilt it on its side. When you move to the front, as you can see, this is the front. There are 2 lights here that go off when there's a bass. There's a middle light and there are 2 ring lights with it. And now we're gonna do a sound check with it. I'm gonna play a song. And as you can see, the light changes. You have different light settings. That's another one. That's another one. One more. And there are many. There are at least 6 or 7. And these go off when there's bass. Yo, this your body, put in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown. That's full volume. You can also control it from the top. The light will go, showing how much volume there is. And that's our JBL PartyBox 110. Make sure to subscribe. And there's another song I'll play. It has a very good bass. The volume goes up.
You know what I'm saying? So if you really got sunshine in you, it's not good to play in the dark. It's just going to extinguish your fire.
And that is our music review. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you.